Rhynchosaurs were a group of early archosauromorph reptiles that were common in South America and Africa during the Triassic period. These reptiles were plant-eaters, with heavy, barrel-shaped bodies. They were also one of the most common reptiles of their time. Rhynchosaurs possessed hind limbs which were adapted for scratching in the earth. This means it is possible that they fed on roots and underground shoots. Hyperodapedon, or best pestle surface, was a typical member of the rhynchosaur family. It was not the largest reptile of its day, being only 1.3 meters long. Yet it was one of the most common plant-eaters during the Late Triassic period. The bones of this creature constitute the principal terrestrial fossil material from this period in Brazil. Hyperodapedon was a widespread animal, and its fossil remains have been discovered in South America, India, and Scotland. Hyperodapedon's strange name derives from the structure of its jaws. The jaws ended in a beak. There were also two broad teeth plates on the upper jaw, consisting of several tooth rows. There was also a groove down the middle of each row. This groove accommodated the tooth row of the lower jaw, enabling these animals to easily chop and crush vegetation. The front of the mouth of rhynchosaurs like Hyperodapedon had a pointed beak. Rhynchosaurs are thought to have primarily fed on seed ferns, which were one of the most common plants during the Triassic era. However, these plants died out at the end of the period and were replaced by conifers. Rhynchosaurs appear to have died out as a result of the disappearance of these plants. Their environmental niche was then taken over by plant-eating dinosaurs such as sauropodomorphs.